So once you've booted off the installation media, you'll be greeted by this screen. You will need to select your language and also the time and currency format. So it's English United Kingdom for me. And then click on Next. And then you will need to click on the Install Now button. Once you've clicked on the Install Now button, you will see on screen it comes up with Setup is starting. This will only take a second or so to complete. And you will need the product key now. So get a copy of your product key, paste it into the box and click on Next. The product key can be found on the back of your laptop. In some cases you can actually use a Windows 7 product key. So just give it a go. You will then see the end user license agreement. Please read through this and click on I accept the license terms, and once you've done that, click Next. At this point you can choose to upgrade, so if you're going from Windows 7 to Windows 8.1, or you can do a custom installation. So any new builds, so a new hard drive in the machine, you need to go to custom. As you can see, we're going for drive 0, which is unallocated space, and it's a 40 gig drive. And you click on Next. It will now start to install the operating system. As this can take a bit of time, I have obviously sped this up and added some music. See you soon. Welcome back. As you can see on screen now, you have to select your region, so we'll select United Kingdom and we will click yes. Back to just a moment screen again. And the next option is this the right keyboard layout? So we'll choose United Kingdom again and click on yes, and we can add a second keyboard layout. So if we're in a different country part of the time, we can add that on, and we go back to just a moment. And then the computer will actually restart at that point. Once the computer is restarted, it'll go back to the lovely just a moment again. You'll be asked a number of questions with regards to security in a minute. The first thing you need to set up though is you need to connect to an external network. So it'd be either your Wi-Fi, or you can, if you're network cabled in, you can select that on this screen. As you can see, we're not actually connected to anything at the minute. So the left hand side at the bottom, there's a little option that says I don't have the internet. If you just go down to that and click on the left button, or if you've got Wi-Fi or network port, you can actually select it at that point. So we're going to click on I don't have internet. Back to that lovely screen again. And it's actually saying at this point that it's just showing the benefits of connecting up to the internet. So you can connect again, or you can continue with the limited setup. There's no problem with doing this though. You can connect up to Wi-Fi when you're actually in the operating system. So it wants you now to create a local user account for this PC. So I'm just entering my name, Chris, and clicking next. It'll ask you to create a memorable password. So just pop in your memorable password. I recommend 8 characters and a special character as well, so a wildcard. Pop in the confirmation of the password, click on next. It does now ask you to create security questions, so you have to select 3. So I'm going to go with what was your first pet's name, and my first pet's name was Jess, and I'm going to click next, which will take you on to the security question 2. Back to the drop down box, I'm going for what's the name of the city where your parents met. So in this case it was London, so type in London, click next. So the third security question, what's the name of the first school you attended? So I'm just going to pop in that. So the first school I attended was Liverpool. I'm going to click on next. I'm about to just a moment. So next one is do more across devices with activity history. So if you want that option, click yes. If you don't, click on no. We're back to just a moment. Get help from your digital assistant. So that's Cortana. I do not like Cortana at all, so I decline that. I'm about to just a moment again. So as you see, there's multiple questions regarding the setup. Do more with your voice. So do you want speech recognition enabled? And that is something I do not want. So I will go with don't use online speech recognition and click accept. Let Microsoft and apps use your location. If you like applications to know your GPS location, click yes or click no. I'm going to go with no and then click accept. You can also learn more at each section along the way. Find my device. Do you want to locate your device? Yes or no? I'm going for no again. Accept. Send diagnostic data to Microsoft. So you can do full, which gives more in-depth view of the reports, or you can go with basic. I tend to go with basic on this one. Click accept. Improve inking and typing. Yes or no? I'm just going to go with no, and then go to accept. Get tailored experiences with diagnostic data. So yes or no again. I'm going to go with no again. So seems to be a running theme with me, a lot of no's. I do value my privacy, so I do disable as much as possible. Let apps use advertising ID. Yes or no, and we're going no again. And accept. And we're back to just a moment screen again. The next stage, it does take a bit of time, so I've sped the clip up and added some music. And that's it. Windows 10 is now completed. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video.